about travelling people that I had heard, or indeed had been written, since the Travelling People radio ballads of Ewan McLeod in the early 60s. I think it's a wonderful song. It's called When the Wee Birds Start Leaving. Oh, by my sweet lavender, nobody, that's who. The old painted caravan tinkers and all. They look fine on a picture hook hung by the ingle nook. When we come around, the folk all turn away. We live in a tin box on wheels in the lay-by. Hang out our clothes on the line in full view. If there's a tone, we'll be damn sure to lower it. Our right to exist is under review. Only here under sufferance, not wanted but needed, we can buy the road, so it's always made clear. We know after the harvest home we won't be welcome. When the small birds start leaving, it's time we weren't here. The church bells were clanging out, come all you faithful. The faithful all turned out, respectably drowned. After the sermon it's down to the duck and swan, to ward off the weather with a gift of the gown. There's Moses and Abraham, Jesus and Mary, sinking down pints in the snow with a Pope. Either crack tones as they pour out the bevy. The problem with the gyps is they take too much rope. Only here under sufferance, not wanted but needed, we hang by the clothes, so it's always made clear. We know after the harvest home we won't be welcome. When the small birds start leaving, it's time we weren't here. The clerk and the parish draw plans to evict us. The tourists slow down as they drive past and stare. Symbols of freedom, a blight on the landscape, born out of time like an old dancing bear. I heard someone say as they looked o'er the green hills, why would you come where the petrol fumes drift? It's not what we choose, it's the choice that's made for us. Here by the roadside we're easy to shift. Singing. Only here under sufferance, not wanted but needed, we can buy the road, so it's always made clear. We know after the harvest home we won't be welcome. When the small birds start leaving, it's time we weren't here. Only here under sufferance, not wanted but needed, we can buy the road, so it's always made clear. We know after the harvest home we won't be welcome. When the small birds start leaving, it's time we weren't here. Oh, by my sweet lavender, nobody, that's who.